you should go to Wood Badge, and this is why.
Wood Badge I think, will be a life-changing experience if you come to Wood Badge. You won't regret it.
I think Wood Badge is an awesome opportunity to learn how to manage the affairs of a Boy Scout troop, and at the same time benefit you in your personal lives. I don't think you can get the kind of training that the Boy Scouts provides in Wood Badge in any other way, shape, or form.
Coming to Wood Badge provided me with the insight to realize that I wasn't alone in trying to be a scout leader, that there's all kinds of other adults who also want to be good scout leaders, and the training makes it possible for me to not reinvent the wheel. It's already all laid out for me. I just need to come to training so that I can see what and how to put on a good den meeting, to put on a good patrol meeting. It's already done, and then I get the benefit of the camaraderie of intermingling with other adults who really understand and enjoy the benefits of scouting for our youth.
Wood Badge is more than just Boy Scout training. It's leadership training. The skills you learn at Wood Badge are transferable to your personal life, both at home and in business. I found that it's made a profound change in my life, and I think it can make a change in yours.
Me personally, I never got the opportunity to go to camp when I was younger. I wasn't involved with scouting. I got involved with scouting because my son wanted to get involved with scouting. I learned a lot about Cub Scouting and listening and learning and teaching at Wood Badge. It was a very, very eye-opening experience, and I would suggest anybody to do it.
Do you think you'll have fun at Wood Badge?
No, it's just boring. We don't do anything fun. I don't know.
A ton of fun at Wood Badge. Wood Badge is fun.
Fun? Yeah. Fun at Wood Badge? It's never a dull moment.
No, we have a little bit of fun here. You know.
You sure?
Yeah, we don't get too excited about things. You know, unless Possum goes through camp, then we got dinner.
Lots of fun. We made lots of things. We did a lot of projects that we worked on together as patrols. We did some journaling. It was a lot of fun, and the staff was unbelievably just great. The staff was phenomenal.
Wood Badge will help strengthen your unit, and you'll have fun in the process.